if a creatine supplement is Amazon's #1 seller with over 60,000 reviews, a 4.6-star rating, and costs only about 17 cents per serving, the real question isn't, is it popular? It's, what are we missing? Today I'm taking a hard look at Nutricost Creatine Monohydrate to figure out whether it's a smart value pick or a hidden risk for serious lifters and athletes. On paper, it checks the big boxes: pure creatine monohydrate, unflavored, easy to mix, and dramatically cheaper than premium brands like Thorne and Optimum Nutrition, often running 2 to 5 times less per serving, which instantly grabs attention for anyone training long-term. But low price in supplements always deserve scrutiny. The label says third-party tested, yet many buyers misunderstand that phrase. It doesn't automatically mean pharmaceutical-grade verification or batch-by-batch certification, and the specific testing standards and labs used are not always clearly disclosed, which creates a certification gap most reviews never dig into. Looking deeper, watchdog sources and business complaint records show a generally functional reputation, but not a spotless one. And while that's not unusual for a high-volume brand, it does matter if you demand tight quality controls. User feedback across thousands of reviews shows most people report normal strength and performance benefits consistent with creatine, but mixed in are recurring concerns about texture, clumping, and occasional digestion discomfort, which suggests consistency may vary by batch or storage conditions. There's also one group that should pause before using it: competitive tested athletes who require elite sport certifications like NSF certified for sport may want a more rigorously certified product. Bottom line, Nutricost Creatine Monohydrate looks like a cost-efficient, functional option for general gym use, but it's not automatically the gold standard purity pick. So the decision comes down to whether your priority is maximum verification or maximum value.